has no boundaries, okay? And when I say cooking has no boundaries, यानी कि cook what you think is right, cook with fresh ingredients, and that's the reason why I believe that, for example, today's dish is a baked grouper, okay? Now grouper is a fish which is found all along the west and the south of India, very popular all over Asia, very priced. I'm having a little fusion today. I found some lemongrass, lime leaves, chilies, which I completely love. I love Asian flavors, I like Thai flavors, मच्छी के साथ or in meat. लेकिन मेरे पास आज ये baby zucchini थे with these flowers, with the blossoms. I also have some nice cherry tomatoes, or these are actually called grape tomatoes because they look like grapes, okay? And then I have some new potatoes. So we believe one thing at home, that जो भी घर पे है ना, my wife, she tries to create great dishes. So my wife, she doesn't really cook, लेकिन पिया जो है वो remote control chef है. She lets me do everything for her. But so this is one of her ideas where it doesn't matter whether it's Thai or Mediterranean. I totally believe in that. Because आज हम करेंगे इसको bake. I'm going to roast it in the oven. I've already got my oven preheating at about 180 to 190 degrees. अभी थोड़ी सी prep बाकी है. My fisherman, my supplier or my friend has already scaled the fish. He's removed the inside, he's cleaned the head. So this is scaled and gutted, as we say. So देखो पूरा साफ किया हुआ है, which I'm actually going to do. So first things first is I'm going to make a few gashes just to the bone, okay? Beautiful. And then on this side the same thing. So also what happens after cooking, it's very easy to portion out as well, okay? Let's start playing around a little bit. We need salt first. So we're going to season the fish. The idea is that when the fish cooks, it's absorbing a lot of flavor. So whatever you put inside, वो fish की वही flavor होगी. So in this case, I'm adding a couple of a lemon here and a lemon inside as well. So as it cooks, the heat actually takes everything inside. It will be like absolutely beautiful. And the inside flavor जो होगा, it's stunning, absolutely mind-blowing. तो ये जो lemongrass है, उसको हम half करके, and normally what we do is you have to bash it, okay, in order to release the flavor, okay. Lemongrass भी डाल देते हैं इसके अंदर. Beautiful, nice. Then we have some garlic, which I'm going to be putting inside the fish. And we're going to add some chilies as well inside. And we'll do exactly the similar thing on the other side, okay? So we have this. Now in the meanwhile, I have a roasting pan at the back, which I'm going to prepare. I have some lovely rosemary here. It's thyme, rosemary, which we're going to put in the stomach of the fish as well. And here we've got these lovely zucchini, we've got these potatoes. तो ये हम क्या करेंगे इसको? Cut them into 1/2, into half if they are too big, sometimes even by 3. Because ये जो fish है उसको about 35 minutes to 40 minutes लगेंगे पकने के लिए at 170-180 degrees. I've got some chilies which we're going to drop here. It's going to be fairly spicy, okay? मेरे घर पे they love spicy food, okay? Lime leaves, lemongrass, beautiful. So literally we are going to just spread it all here. A little bit of salt. Now some tomatoes also. We're going to put these in half. Zucchini, okay? Just split it. हल्का सा उसको split कर देते हैं यहाँ. So इसकी भी ये भी this will also be roasted really well, okay? थोड़ा सा लेमन ही डाल देते हैं इसमें. Little bit of lemon juice. Some lemon juice here. And here, wow, I found actually a lovely baby pumpkin. Okay. Awesome. So, this cooks really well. This cooks really quickly as well. इसके seeds निकाल देते हैं, बीज निकाल देते हैं. And then we're just going to cut this into wedges here. Okay. And literally the skin is so tender. Okay. You can actually eat it with the skin. Yes, आपने सही सुना. You can eat this with the skin as well. So I'm going to be adding my fish right here. Lovely. And a little more seasoning. A little bit of coriander powder. A little bit of red chili powder. Okay. Now, oh yeah, some lovely light olive oil. Okay. Preheated oven, 180 degrees. Oven's preheating. Veggies ready. Fish all set to go. I think I'll see you in about 49 minutes. See you soon. Lovely. Oh yes. This is what I love about cooking whole fish. You know, it retains its texture, nutrition. Look at the flavor. Oh my God. Check it out. Beautiful. So, in order to check if it's done, just put a wooden skewer. This is just perfect. Just goes in absolutely inside. Beautiful. Vegetables also beautifully cooked. Potatoes, nice. That whole flavor of lemongrass, lime leaves, but at the same time, rosemary, thyme. Wow. Chilies. Oh, one of my best dishes so far. I could just serve it like this. Take it in the table. Everybody cuts their own fish. But you know what? I want to separate it a little bit so that I can show you what the texture and the flavor of the vegetables is, because as you can notice, all the flavors from the fish and the other spices have gone through and directly on top of all these vegetables, which means that there is some major flavor happening down there. Oh yes, I have to be a little careful so that I don't break it, but I don't think I will. Here we go. Brillante. So as you can see inside the head, you've got this lovely meat. Now this is the collars and the cheeks of the fish, which I love to eat. Like, this is the best part. And here we go, guys. A fantastic, beautiful meal ready for you in 48 minutes. So remember, minimal spices, but a lot of flavor. Lemongrass, lime leaves, chilies, lemon juice, potatoes, tomatoes. So this is your chance to increase your quantities of vegetables you eat. You have to include vegetables in your diet. It's not just about animal protein. You have to have a balanced diet. You know, I'm not trying to promote vegetarianism or anything, but it is always good for you to eat more vegetables and fruits and seeds and nuts and lentils. Until then, enjoy, love, like, share, ping, ring the bell. Buon appetito!